Lecture 7: Case Studies and Success Stories. Welcome to this lesson on case studies and success stories. In this lesson, we will be exploring real-world examples of companies that have achieved success with digital marketing. Case studies and success stories can be a valuable resource for businesses looking to learn from the experiences of others. By examining how other companies have approached digital marketing, you can gain insights and ideas for your own marketing efforts. One example of a company that has achieved success with digital marketing is Airbnb. Airbnb has used a range of tactics, including search engine optimization, social media marketing, and content marketing, to build a strong brand and connect with customers. In particular, the company has leveraged user-generated content, such as customer reviews and photos, to create a sense of community and trust among users. Another example is Dollar Shave Club, a subscription-based men's grooming company. Dollar Shave Club has used a mix of social media marketing, content marketing, and influencer marketing to build its brand and reach a wide audience. The company has also leveraged its unique brand voice and sense of humor to stand out in a crowded market. These are just a couple of examples of companies that have achieved success with digital marketing. By studying the tactics and strategies of these and other companies, you can learn what has worked and what has not, and apply these lessons to your own marketing efforts. I hope this lesson has given you some insight into the value of case studies and success stories for digital marketing. Thank you for watching.